There's a hurricane coming, and they canceled school. So I'm gonna make some homemade fidgets. Let's go! First thing we need is balloons. I think these are perfect. I think we need teeny pom-poms.
Can you think of anything else?
Yes, I think we need Orbeez.
Okay, let's do it.
I found Orbeez.
Wow.
Daddy, we should get kinetic sand. This is a lot more. Daddy, I love playing a Play-Doh.
This would be perfect. One more thing. Do you
What?
think slime would be good?
Yes, I think it'll be awesome.
All right, grab a little slime. Do you think you have enough things here?
Yeah. Daddy, last time Mommy got this and this.
Okay, do it up.
Yeah. Let's go home and make our fidgets. Yeah!